Putin causes Russian cabinet to resign and Bitcoin prices spike. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by Christine Vezelez at Bitcoinist and brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Take a look at the great Bitcoin conference I'm bringing to Dallas, Texas at, BitBlockBoom.com. I hope I get to meet you in Dallas for BitBlockBoom's third and best year yet. Russian President Putin is attempting to retain power by enlisting the State Duma as the decision makers. Now, in case you're not familiar with the State Duma, it's actually the lower house of the Federal Assembly of Russia. The move caused a new wave of political instability, as Russia will have to scramble to assemble a new government. Additionally, Putin has proposed constitutional changes that would allow power to shift to the State Duma. Now, skeptics viewed this move as Putin's bid to extend his 20-year run as both president and prime minister. Through the Duma, it'd be possible for Putin to keep pulling the strings of power despite not being directly at the helm. During his presidential terms and a stint as prime minister, Putin attempted to consolidate Russia's wealth and power. But despite growth in industry and prosperity, Russians still languish in a post-communism transition. This has led to the high popularity of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency assets in the country as a hedge against economic uncertainty and a weak national currency. Now, Russia was on the edge of voting in a law to establish the status of digital assets. After prolonged years in discussion, the expected regulations were scheduled for the spring of 2020. But now, the spring session of the Duma may be busy voting on new proposals while the country goes through the process to rebuild the cabinet. The uncertainty will mean cryptocurrency assets will remain kind of in a gray area, not outright banned, but not endorsed either. The resulting uncertainty may actually be good for Bitcoin supporters in Russia. Russia continues to host multiple mining operations, and exchanges still manage to operate with less strict restrictions. Now, the news of a cabinet crisis was immediately reflected in Bitcoin market prices on one of the more prominent Russian exchanges. Now, what do you think about Putin? Do you think he'll have effect on the Bitcoin price? Share your thoughts in the comments, and please subscribe to the show at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday. And don't forget to take a look at my conference, BitBlockBoom.com, the great Bitcoin conference I'm bringing to Dallas, Texas. I'm GaryLeland, the Crypto Podcaster, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This has been a CryptoPodcaster.com production.